Welcome back, folks, to the KARE 11 Backyard. Still a very, very light flurry coming down right now, but we are going to see much of the snow come to an end and just exit to the east over the next couple of hours. Here's a look at some of the snowfall totals. Many of these are from the I-90 corridor, southern Minnesota direction. Not all of them, but you see Preston, Minnesota, near Rochester. That was the highest total I could find within the state of Minnesota at this time. Now, there will be more snowfall totals that come in through the overnight hours and even tomorrow once people take a final tally. But again, these are preliminary numbers. Lakefield, 6.5, New Prague, 6, Waseca at 5.5, St. Peter and Tomah. Found one for Wisconsin there, so I threw that in. Tomah, Wisconsin. 5 inches of snowfall, a little closer to the metro area. Bloomington, Edina, a little more than 4 inches. Woodbury right at the 4-inch mark. Falcon Heights 3. Right here in the KARE 11 Backyard measured 3 inches, and MSP 2.4. So again, we're expecting that 2 to 6 around the Twin Cities, and many numbers lived up to it. Now, granted, these are about all the snowfall totals there were. We'll see what else comes in through the overnight hours. And you can see the snow depth right now, a very general broad stroke. And look at the snowfall depth that we've had on the ground right now. Take a look at this for Iowa. Many numbers that I saw in the central and eastern portion of the state were about 8 to 14 inches snowfall reports just today. And that storm system came in from the northwest. So again, there were some areas that really got hit hard. Central Iowa right into Illinois was certainly one that was expected, and it looks as though the numbers really lived up to what was forecasted. This low is going to be lifting across the Great Lakes. And again, as it does, we'll see that snow winding down around here, really cutting off to the west right now. But still, there will be some light flurry for the next hour or two around the Twin Cities. We'll see some lingering light snow overnight into western Wisconsin, but by tomorrow morning, it looks like much of this will be done. You can see for the road conditions right now, many areas completely covered, but snowplows are going to have the upper hand with the snow tapering off to the west, so improving conditions there. But around the metro, it's going to be tough going for the time being. But again, through the overnight hours, plow crews out there hard at work. Conditions certainly better in northern Minnesota, where they really missed out on a lot of the heavier snowfall accumulation. Microcasts, again, for the next couple of hours, snow trying to hang in there, but by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, it is looking like the snow will be done. It will be breezy, so there still could be some blowing snow around here. Peaks of sunshine into the afternoon, and then the cold air really starts to set in. We had highs today in the 20s, but we start to tap into more of this Arctic and polar air to the north, and that is really going to cut into those morning wind chills. Single digits above and below zero, and really looking nasty there for Thursday. 14 below expected to be your morning wind chill. There's a look at the temperatures tomorrow, and then check out the 7-day forecast here, and you can see single digit lows, teens, 20s for highs. Thursday with a few flurries, definitely looking like it is going to be a very, very cold day for us, and then some snow showers, snow flurries heading into the weekend.